Hi, I work at a startup where developers use NPM packages, VS Code extensions, browser plugins, and AI coding agents every day. If just one of them is compromised, it can steal env files, API keys, credentials, and source code, while traditional antivirus or corporate proxies often miss it because the activity comes from trusted applications. To solve this, we built CrowdShield AI, a security platform that detects, investigates, and notifies to stop these supply chain attacks in real time. This is our CrowdShield AI application. Before we begin, let me start the Kafka engine. Our application is now connected to Kafka. On the agent screen, we have 3 AI agents: the AI security analyst, threat investigator, and incident report agent. We also have a processing pipeline and an AI observer powered by Splunk. Now, let's go back to the pipeline and see it in action. This AI pipeline collects events from Splunk Enterprise, prioritizes them as high, medium, or low severity, and routes them to the appropriate Kafka topics for the AI agents to process. For this demo, we created a mock plugin that simulates an attack. We'll run event 2, where a node.js package tries to steal the env file. Let's see how CrowdShield AI detects it. The attack is detected. You can see the alert and action and IP in the live feed. Now, let's analyze it. Now, let's check the impact of this event using our Splunk MCP. As expected, the node.js package accessed the .env file and sent sensitive data to an external IP. CrowdShield AI detected it, and Splunk MCP showed the incident details in seconds. Now, let's see the architecture in action. We'll trigger event 8, where a malicious Chrome extension tries to access environment files. In layer 1, Synapse captures activity from applications like Chrome and creates custom events. The Splunk forwarder collects these logs and sends them to Splunk Enterprise for analysis. In layer 2, the AI pipeline pulls events from Splunk Enterprise, correlates them, assigns a high, medium, or low risk score, and sends them to the right Kafka topic. Once an event reaches Kafka, our AI agents consume it, analyze it in seconds, and send an alert if a threat is detected. In layer 4, our AI agents use MCP for more context if needed, and with human approval can stop malicious processes. Finally, developers can use Splunk MCP to view and understand the incident. Layer 5 uses Splunk for reports. That's it. Thank you.